Hey guys, what's going on? Nick's WRX back with the second video. The first video was the introducing this to the channel, and it's been about 3 days, and it is the best car I've ever driven, and I cannot speak highly enough about this car. Absolutely amazing, and I cannot drive it enough during the day to where I still feel satisfied. So this video is going to be crazy. This is how she looks right now, fully stock. You can't really tell, it's a little dark out, but I'm about to go drop it off right now to get some things done to it. So as you can tell, horrible fitment from the factory in the front and in the back. Look at that. Can't even see, like, the fender, like the gap is just absolutely insane. So I'm gonna cut to a clip here in a minute showing you guys what I bought, and this car is gonna sound completely and utterly different in a few minutes. I'm gonna go over the modifications in the next clip, but I'll catch you guys in a second. All right guys, what's going on? So we're just outside with the car here. We are just looking at the things that I just picked up. I have some clips already recorded, but I think this is just better to show you and talk over it. So we got the Burger Motorsports 15mm spacers for the front and for the rear. We have a new gasket for the downpipe. This is the VRSF catless downpipe. For what I plan on doing for the car, this is going to give it the perfect sound. I've talked to very many people, and I know there's a smell to it, and there's a certain loudness that some people like and some don't. I'm not going to be using this very often, and these are the IBAC lowering springs, so we're going to get those put on the car, and I'll see you guys in a moment. This is the final last piece I need for the Supra. Since I'm working this week, I'm dropping everything off for my friend, and he's going to do all the installs for me. This is the Awe Track Edition exhaust. I'm not going to lie, I looked up some of the loudest exhaust options since I live in kind of an area where, you know, the neighbors are pretty far. There's nothing really too crazy around here going on where anybody's really going to harp on me or, you know, like the loudness of the exhaust. So it just came from South Carolina, and as you could tell, UPS packaged this thing more than anything I've ever seen packaged in my life. They treated this as if there was a $1 million item in here, and I honestly can't be happier. I'd rather that than it showing up broken in half and having issues. So this just came all the way from South Carolina. I was able to make a deal with the guy over Facebook, and he was able to ship it for me, and I cannot be happier. I'm going to drop this off right now to the shop, and then they're going to get going on this. And yeah, so that is going to be it for right now. I'm going to catch you guys when I go to pick up the car or with another update. I'm not sure what comes next, but we're going to find out. See you guys in a second. So I got everything you said and can't find the part anywhere. It's not in here. Can't find it.
All right, guys, downpipe exhaust is in. Double check for leaks. Everything is perfect. Get you guys some good rubbing right now.
Rum, rum. Hell yeah. I like it, I like it. Hey guys, what's going on? And we just picked up the car. It is about 6:50. It might be 7:50 at night. Kinda not dark, but not too light. I'm using the flash on the phone. The spacers are on, the exhaust is on, the downpipe is on, and the lowering springs are on. As you can tell, great fitment in the front. That's the fitment in the rear with the 15. And yeah, This is her from the back. As you can tell, the fitment, you could go, definitely could have gone a little more than 15 on the rear, but the front, look at that from this angle. Perfect. So as you can tell, I did 35% on the front, 20% on the sides, and I could not be happier. This thing looks insane. The next clips here is gonna be me driving with the exhaust on the car, and let me be honest with you, it is loud, almost too loud. And I'm gonna go over that in the next video. It's definitely not crazy loud, but you will be able to tell the video does not do it justice. So yeah, that's just a little look at the car, and now we're gonna go into the next clip here. All right, everybody, what's going on? So just from that last clip, I'm going to be going for the drive now. I just wanna give you guys a little cold start for this morning. It is 70 degrees out right now, and it is absolutely beautiful. So I already have the clip of me starting it from the back. Now let me just sit inside here. I guess we'll do sport. I mean, it's the all track, so it's the exact same thing. And here we go. Oh yeah, oh my God. So, hey guys, what's going on? We're back in the next clip here. We are inside the car, and we just got the downpipe and the exhaust installed, and let me tell you, it is absolutely insane. So right now we're just gonna go for a little drive. I'm just running around after work, so yeah, we are in the car. Let's get it going here. So automatically the valves, I mean, it's valveless, but you could tell once you take it out of park and put it into drive that it gets a lot louder. Let's as you can tell, it's 3,000 RPM. As you can tell from those burbles, 3,500. As you can tell from those burbles, this thing sounds amazing. I'm driving in sport mode. As you can tell, there's a little bit of drone when you're kind of cruising at like the 2,500 mark or lower. With the wind, I'll put the windows down for a second. As you can tell, the burbles there, it sounds great. Little bridge here. Let's see if we can give her a little rip through the bridge here. And you can hear that. Insane. Sounds amazing. The car also is way more responsive with everything, with the throttle. You could feel that the Catalyst downpipe actually does something. And that's something that with my WRX you couldn't really feel. But with this, you could just feel it. And as you can tell, it sounds absolutely insane. We're gonna let the car do its downshift here. Awesome. So yeah, that's just a little tip. I'm gonna include some more videos, probably the next video, of me kind of doing more highway driving and cruising. I have a few cruises set up with some friends on the weekend, so look forward to that. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next clip here.